Hi, I'm Sam with Earlex Technical Services. Welcome to our tips and troubleshooting video series. If you're getting runs and sags in your finish when using the SprayPort 6003, it may be an error in setup of the gun. In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix that. Okay, so runs and sags can happen for a number of reasons. The main one would be too much fluid coming out of the gun. And this is the fluid control on the gun. Clockwise cuts down on the material, counterclockwise opens it up and lets out more material. So you just want to make sure your settings are right on the gun first. A couple other reasons might be that the paint's too thin. It's just running off the project because it's so thin. Or that you've applied too much. If you just go too slow and put too much material on there, even though my setting was beautiful, that atomization is terrific, I applied too much paint to the project and it sagged. This is one reason the gravity's working with you or against you. If I laid this project down and sprayed down on it, it'd look terrific. If you have more questions, watch our other videos, call us at the number at the bottom of your screen, or live chat us at earlex.com. Thanks for watching.